Today we are making sheer chai. Ingredients we need are sheer chai. We can use kahwa in case the sheer chai is not available, baking soda, salt, water and milk. Take 1.5 spoon of sheer chai and pinch of baking soda and add it to pot without water. Heat this pot to roast chai for a second or two at a medium heat. Add a little water and boil until water evaporates. Add water again and boil. Repeat this process 2-3 times until you get concentrated red color. Add 1.5 cup of water and boil. Add milk 1.5 cup. Here I am making this chai for 3 or 4 people. But if you are making for less people or more people, increase or decrease the proportion of ingredients according to your needs. Add salt to chai. Now pour in a cup and garnish with malai. This malai is optional because some people don't like malai in chai. And you can add almonds and cardamom also. Again, this is optional. A lot of people don't like sheer chai with malai, almond or cardamom.